Oh my god, it's cup holders. Dude. Oh my... Dude, I can put my beers on this! Bro, that's actually... Bro, I'm actually gonna keep that. Chat, to any of you guys saying that, what's it called? I'm a lazy streamer. This is the After Effects. We're not even done yet. This is the After Effects of fan mail. I have to clean all this up. All right, Blue Moon's in the way. I have to clean all of this up every single night. Every single night, bro. Literally every night. I have to clean all that up. Every night. Literally every night, bro. It's actually like crazy.